everybody in the company appreciates good design to begin with. That's sort of the foundation of any good building project. When you choose Howell Custom Building Group to do your project, you're really bringing on a partner.
When a client decides to work with us, the very first thing we do is sign a pre-construction services contract, and that covers all of our services prior to breaking ground on a project. We're working on permitting issues, we're lining up subcontractors, we're ordering materials. All of that is covered in the pre-construction services contract.
They do their work like an expert plays chess. They are constantly 2 steps ahead. They understand exactly who needs to be contacted when, what needs to happen in what order, and so because of that, all those people who have nightmare stories about renovations, I actually loved the process. I was able to watch things come down to studs and rebuild back up, and I never lost my stove and I never lost my sink.
We're going to bring a quality approach to the whole process. We're going to bring a quality approach to the design, to the cost estimating, to the construction, and to the follow-up after construction and support of the project. And to do that, we team up with some of the best architects and designers in the area. If you get a team together early and they all can participate in the budgeting and higher level design, the end product is generally a glove fit for the owner.
I feel like Howell absolutely exceeded our expectations. In a full house construction, it's hard to know exactly what the final project is going to look like. So when we moved in and started to live in this house, it was absolutely above and beyond what we were hoping for.
When a client hires us and makes that commitment to us, we are fully on board. We're passionate about what we're doing. We care a lot about our customers. We care a lot about our employees. We care a lot about our community.
When we were originally looking to do this project, I started asking for recommendations from folks in the area who had done other projects that were similar in scope. And the one name that came up consistently was Howell.
We have incredibly supportive customers. Many of them have become friends, and they're cheering us on.
I would say absolutely talk to Howell. They're the best of the best. They know their industry. They can understand what you want and what you need.
You will end up with a result that is really what you want in terms of design and in terms of the finished product.
When people hire us, they know that they can rely on us to stand by our work and that we'll be there to service their projects for a long time.
That's the end goal, is to see the smile on the client's face at the end that, yes, this project accomplished what it set out to accomplish.